In this video, you will learn how to access reports on your Zoom meeting via the Zoom web portal. The Reports section of the Zoom web portal is a tool that provides account owners and admins with statistics to review details of their Zoom meetings. With these reports, you can get access to valuable data such as who attended your meeting, who registered for your meeting, poll results, and survey results. Before you learn on how you can access these reports, it's important to know the restrictions. For example, recently ended meetings may take up to 30 minutes to provide complete reports. Meeting reports, such as attendee lists and polling results, can be retrieved from the last 12 months, with a search range of up to 1 month at a time. And if a meeting is not started in 30 days, it expires and it is deleted by Zoom. The registration reports for the meeting are also deleted. However, if webinars are deleted, all associated reports remain. In order to access reports, you need to go to the Zoom portal. To do so, head over to stonybrook.zoom.us and select the Sign In button to log into your account. Once there, you will be prompted to enter in your NetID and password to access the portal. To find where reports are located in Zoom, find the area in the left column that says Reports. To find a report on the list of individuals who joined your Zoom meeting, please follow these steps. Select Usage, which is located under the Usage Reports tab. From there, you can type in the date range of the meeting you are looking for and select Search. Please note, 1 month is the maximum range to search up to. Once you find the meeting you want to pull data from, scroll over to the column titled Participants and click the hyperlink number advising how many participants were in this meeting. Then you will see a list of participants, their email addresses, the time they joined the Zoom meeting, the time they left the meeting, their total minutes in the meeting, if they joined as a guest, and if they were in a waiting room prior to joining the meeting. You can export this information to a CSV file. However, before doing so, you have 2 options to customize this report. The first is to select the Export with Meeting Data box. This will include the meeting information in the report once it's exported. The second is by checking off the Show Unique Users box. This will show only the participants' names and their total time in the meeting. It will not show when a participant joined the meeting or if they left. Once you are ready to export your report as a CSV file, you can select the blue Export button to access your report. Then the report will download, and once it's finished downloading, you will be able to access all data that you desire on the report. To access reports that show who has pre-registered for your meetings, reports that show the results of polls conducted in your meeting, or reports that show results of surveys conducted after your meeting, please follow these steps. In the Usage Reports tab, select Meeting. For the report type, you can select either Registration Report, Poll Report, or Survey Report. I'm going to leave this selected on Registration Report. Then I need to type in a date range on the meeting I would like a report on and select Search. Once I've located my meeting, I can select the blue link that says Generate, which is located next to the meeting ID. Please note, if you are trying to pull a registration report, then you will receive this additional pop-up. This pop-up is asking which type of registration report you would like. Your choices are a report on all registrants, a report on only approved registrants into the meeting, or a report on all denied registrants into the meeting. For this, I'm going to select all registrants. Then I will be redirected to the Report Queue tab, where my report will generate. Please note, it may take several minutes for your report to generate here. Once it's finished processing, you should be able to click the blue Download button to obtain a CSV file of your report. Once your CSV file generates, you'll be able to see details on your participants who have registered for your report. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video on pulling Zoom reports.